Assalamualaikum everyone. Today our video class is on English. We are going to study lesson 5, Good Night Tinku. So in this lesson we are going to study about some creatures. Now coming to some animals or insects you take. So some animals daily we can see during the daytime. Can you tell me the animals which you can see at night? Some animals during the daytime they'll be in search of food, and at night as we go to sleep even those animals go to sleep. But some animals they go to sleep in daytime and they come out in night in search of food. So some animals, have you seen an owl? Owl will be awake at the night. And if you see some other birds too, owl you take, bat. Bat is actually, we tell it bird, but actually it is an animal. Bat, owl, usually we see some insects too, we see during night. So some insects, some birds we can see during night time. A wild dog, you can take, they'll be awake at night and they'll be roaming in the, some animals which are live in the jungle, they'll be roaming. Suppose wild dog, they'll be in search of food at night. Whereas other animals will go to sleep, that time they'll come out and they'll go in search of food. So in this lesson we are going to study about animals. So like we human beings, you people, when you come to school, what you do? You have friends in your class. So what you do with your friends? You play and you enjoy with your friends. Not only that, but also we have some feelings and emotions towards our friends. Sometimes what you do? You fight with your friends. Sometimes you be very friendly with your friends. So in the same way, even animals too, they need friendship. They too want to have new friends. As we want to have new friends, we like to make new friends. In the same way, animals like to have friends. They too have emotions. They too have feelings. Not only we human beings, even animals too, they too like to have friends. They have feelings. They have emotions. So we'll come across these all in our today's lesson. So today our lesson is about good night Tinku. Good night. When you are going to say good night? At night, after all your work is over, after having your night dinner, everything, when you go to sleep, you say good night to your mother and you go to sleep. That is good night. It means you are going to bed. So here good night Tinku. The Tinku is the name of a pup, a baby dog. We are going to study this. Tinku, a little pup. Who is Tinku? Tinku is a little pup, a baby dog. Pup is nothing but a baby dog. Tinku, a little pup, is not sleepy at all. So for Tinku, he is unable to sleep, it seems, at night. He decides to go out in the night. Read on to find out what happened next. So Tinku's mother has slept, but Tinku is unable to sleep. He is not feeling sleepy. So what he is doing at night? In this lesson we are going to study about Tinku, a pup, what he is going to do at night. Is it clear now? It was a bright moonlit night. So the night was very bright with full moon day. If you see a night on the full moon day, it will be very bright when the moon is full. So the night is very bright. So that day it was a bright moonlit night, a moon with full brightness. All the animals on Mangu's farm. Mangu is the name of a person who is having a farm. So in this lesson, Mangu is having a farm, and what are the animals in his farm? We are going to study. So it is a Mangu's farm. These all the we are going to come across the animals. What are the things? It is happening in Mangu's farm. So all the animals on Mangu's farm were sleeping. Mangu is having a farm. All the animals in his farm were sleeping because it was night. Anyhow, when it's night, we will go to sleep. Except Tinku. All the animals slept except Tinku. Tinku is not feeling sleepy, it seems. He is not getting sleep. I am not sleepy, ma, murmured Tinku. Tinku went to his mother and he is murmuring to his mother, Mama, I am unable to sleep. So what happened? But Ma did not hear him. But mother dog, the mother of Tinku, he already felt it. She was already sleeping. What was murmured by the Tinku, she did not heard. I am not sleepy, Ma, murmured Tinku. But Ma did not hear him. She was fast asleep. As Ma was sleeping, whatever Tinku murmured, she was unable to hear. he turned left, he turned right. So what he was doing, suppose at night when we will not feel sleepy, what will we doing? We will be turning from this side to that side when we will not feel sleepy. In the same way, these Tinku, he was moving, turning this side, turning that side, but too he was not feeling sleep. He turned left, he turned right. He lay on his belly. He was turning, doing something, some activities. He was rolling on his back, but he could not sleep. He tried everything so that he must fall asleep. But even then he was unable to sleep. Now what he did? So he set off to see what he could find. So what he thought, he went to his mother and murmured and he wanted to say that I was not sleeping. But what happened? Her mother, Tinku's mother, fast asleep. She did not heard what Tinku said. So what he did now? He was trying, he was turning this side, he was turning this side, he was rolling, sleeping on his belly, he was rolling on the ground, but too he was not feeling asleep. So he set off to see what he could find. So he want to go forward and see what is going on in other places. Up in the sky, where his eyes went, now he was seeing up in the sky. Tinku saw the moon, especially what you'll see in the at night during the in the sky during night. We'll see moon and stars. So Tinku, what he did, he started staring at the sky. When he started seeing the sky, what he saw? He saw a moon in the sky. Tinku saw the moon, white and round, smiling down at him. How was the moon? As it was a full moon and the night was very bright, it was a full moon and white and round. It was full moon will be round in shape. A new moon will be just a curve, but as it was a full moon, so how it was? It was round and white. And for him, for Tinku, it is looking as if the moon is seeing Tinku and smiling. Tinku saw the moon white and round, smiling down at him. He felt very happy. So he thought that the moon is looking at him and smiling. So the Tinku too felt very happy. Night is beautiful, thought Tinku. So after seeing that the moon is seeing me and smiling, so he too felt very happy and he's thinking that the night is very beautiful. Far away on the top of a tree, far away where he was standing, not there but far away on the top of the tree, there was some tiny lights. So far away on the tree, he was seeing some kind of small lights shining on the tree. One light flew down. So one of the light flew down and came to Tinku. On the tree there were small lights. Can you imagine what were those lights? They were nothing but it is a kind of insects which we can see, which give lights at night, which we can see during night. That we call it as firefly. I hope I explained you in your first class. Jugnu will say, we were having one lesson, firefly. Can you remember, children? It is called as Jugnu. So you can see, Jugnu is nothing but a kind of insect which gives us light during the night. So that it was a Jugnu. Far away on the top, Jugnu is nothing but a firefly, will say. Far away on the top of a tree, there was some tiny light. It was a firefly. One light flew down. One of the light, firefly, flew down and came to Tinku. I am a firefly, said the light. So that one of the light came to Tinku and that light is telling that it is telling that I am a firefly, said the light. I glow in the dark. I will be glowing during the dark time. When it is dark, I will glow. The firefly is telling. Will you be my friend? Asked Tinku. So when the firefly came and said that I am a firefly, I will be glowing at night. So when the firefly said, introduced itself, so what the dog, this puppy Tinku said, will you want to be my friend? Tinku asked that firefly. Yes, I will, said the firefly. So the firefly agreed to be the friend of Tinku. Something flew by and huge hung upside down on a tree. Now first he saw the moon, then he saw a firefly, then something again he saw Tinku. What was that? Something flew by and hung upside down on the tree. There was something, it was flying, came back and it hung upside down the tree. What is your name, bird? Asked Tinku. So some kind of bird came and it was upside down and hanging to the branch. With the legs it was hanging. So Tinku was surprised to see that bird. What is your name, bird? Asked Tinku. So now Tinku went to that bird and asked, what is your name? I am not a bird. I am a bat. So that animal said that I am not a bird, but I am a bat. This is a bat. It was hanging to the branch of a tree. I can sit at night. I can see at night, said the bat. So the bat is telling, I am not a bird. I am a bat. I am an animal. I am a bat. I can see at night. Will you be my friend? So what the Tinku, that is the baby dog, asked again the bat, will you want to be my friend? Asked Tinku. Yes, I will, said the bat. Now again, who was his next friend? Bat. First, he saw the moon, he smiled at the moon, he felt very happy. Then he saw the firefly. When the firefly introduced itself, he made friendship with firefly. Then he saw a bat. Now he made a friendship with bat, and he's asking bat whether you want to be my friend. So bat said yes. A few leaves. Then again what happened? A few leaves moved in the bushes. Someone was hiding there. So near the tree, in the bushes of the tree, some leaves were moving. So Tinku thought that something is moving in the someone is hiding near the tree, at the back of the tree, he thought. Who are you? Asked Tinku. So something was moving. So he was thinking that someone is hiding there. So he asked, who are you? Asked Tinku. I am a fox, said the fox. Fox said, who was hiding there? Fox. So when Tinku asked, who are you? What the fox said? I am a fox. I go strolling in the night. Strolling is nothing but walking. टहलना, रात के टाइम मैं बाहर निकल के टहलता हूँ, बोल रहा वो कौन? Fox. Fox is telling that I will be strolling. Strolling means walking slowly in a relaxed manner. अपन कभी बाहर निकल के टहलते हैं रात के टाइम, उसको बोलते हैं स्ट्रॉलिंग, टहलना. तो द फॉक्स इज टेलिंग दैट ड्यूरिंग नाइट आई विल कम आउट एंड स्ट्रॉल. मैं रात के टाइम बाहर निकल के टहलता हूँ. द फॉक्स इज टेलिंग. यस, आई विल यू बी माई फ्रेंड? आस्क्ड टिंकू. अगेन Tinku asked Fox whether he want to be his friend. So the fox said, yes, I will, said the fox. Two shiny eyes. Now he made a friendship with firefly, he made a friendship with bat, now he made a friendship with fox. Now something again he saw, two shiny eyes looked at him from a tree. So from a tree, two shining eyes, two eyes shining, something he can see, only the eyes he can see which were shining on the tree. Who are you? So seeing that eyes, he went toward the tree and asked, who are you? Who is that whose eyes are shining? Who are you? Asked Tinku. I am an owl. So who is that shining eyes? Shining is no one but an owl. So owl said that I am an owl. I hunt for food during the night. So the owl is telling that I come out during the night and hunt for food. Will you be my friend? Asked Tinku. Yes, I will. So the owl said, yes, I want to be your friend. Now who were the friends of the Tinku? A firefly, bat, fox, owl. Now how many members? 4 members. Now still what all the things he will come across? We are going to see. Chirp, chirp. Who is there? Tinku asked. So Tinku heard some kind of sound. What is that sound? Chirp, chirp. So after hearing that sound, Tinku is asking, who is there? Who is that making that such kind of sound? I am a cricket. Cricket is a kind of insect. Is it clear? Cricket is a kind of insect. The sound made by cricket is chirp, chirp. I am a cricket, said the cricket. I chirp when it is dark. So I too will be coming out and chirping during the dark, when it is dark at night. Will you be my friend? Asked Tinku. Again Tinku made a friendship with cricket. Yes, I will, said the cricket. Now one more friend he got, Tinku. Tinku and his friends. Now how many members together he got? A firefly, that is a jugnu, a bat, a fox, owl and cricket. These are the 5 friends he made at night. Now what happened? These all friends, a firefly, a bat, a fox, an owl, a cricket. These all friends, what they did, Tinku and his friend jumped and tossed and rolled until Tinku fell asleep. So they started, all these friends combinedly, they started jumping whatever they want, rolling and enjoying during the night. Till Tinku felt asleep, they were playing. Tossed is nothing but moved from side to side. They were moving from here to there on the ground. From here to there, they were moving, jumping and having fun. Then after playing, he got tired and he was feeling sleepy. Tinku, I am sleepy. I have to go home now. So he's telling to his friends, now I am feeling sleepy. Now I have to go to my home and sleep, said Tinku. He was happy that he had many new friends. So Tinku was feeling asleep. He told his friends, okay, bye. I'll go to home and sleep. And he's telling that I'm very happy. He's feeling very happy because he enjoyed with the new friends. Snuggling close to Ma, he said, night is not a bad time. Snuggling is nothing but getting in a comfortable position and close to somebody. He went very close to his mother and slept. Snuggling close to Ma. He went very close to his mother and he said, night is not bad time, Ma. It is full of wonderful beings. So he's telling his mother, the night is very beautiful. It is not a bad time. I thought that when I was not feeling asleep, I thought night is a bad time. But I made many friends which will come out during the night time. So he is telling that night is very wonderful to his mother. Yes, replied Ma. So the mother said, yes, it is very wonderful. Your new friends are nocturnal. Your new friends are nocturnal. Nocturnal is nothing but active at night. Your new friends with whom you have made friendship, those friends, they will be active at night and they'll sleep during the daytime. So nocturnal is nothing but to be active at night. So mother is telling your new friends are nocturnal, just like wild dogs. As wild dog will be awake during the night, in the same way your new friends are also awake. They are very active during the night time. Nocturnal animals eat, play and work at night. So these animals, nocturnal animals like owl, bat, firefly, cricket, these animals, what they do? These animals eat and play and work at night. They do their work during the night time and during day they will sleep. They rest during the day. They take rest during the daytime and they play, they do their work, they eat during night. You must sleep now. Sleep will give you energy to play with your daytime friends tomorrow. So the mother is telling, now sleep. You have to sleep. If you sleep, you will get energy. Then only if you get energy, you will be able to play with your daytime friends tomorrow when you get up early in the morning. If you are having a good sleep, you will have energy. So if you are having energy, you will be able to play with your daytime friends. Good night, dear, she said, hugging him tight. So the mother said good night and told Tinku to sleep, and she too went to sleep. The bright sun moon shone all night. The bright round moon shone all night, spreading her light all around. And Tinku slept all through the night. So after playing for some time, he came back and Tinku too slept. So the night which was very bright, Tinku enjoyed, and Tinku slept all through the night. So this is the story how Tinku made friends with his animals which he saw at during the night time and how he enjoyed with them. Hope you all have understood the lesson, children. Thank you.